Hi guys, today I'm going to be making Ofe Owerri. I think my husband is due for another bride price. Join me, let's cook Ofe Owerri. I have some beef in the pot and also cow foot. I'm going to start by adding some salt. After that, I'm going to grab my bouillon cubes. We're just going to crush the bouillon cubes into the pot. Guys, if you want to renew the love portion in your relationship, try the soup and thank me later. I'm just going to stir the soup, everything together and cover the pot to cook without adding water. I'm back after like 10 minutes to add water to the level I want the soup to be, okay? So I'm just going to add the water to be like a bit above the meat level and then cover it to cook until it is soft. So once it starts boiling, guys, I'm going to add my stock fish, okay? This soup is also called soup for the rich, okay? Because it comes with a lot of protein, a combination of different proteins, guys. So remember, we already have beef in the pot and cow foot, and now we've just added the stock fish, okay? Because it takes time to get soft. So I'm going to cook it alongside the meat so that they can all become soft together. I'm just going to cover the pot and allow to cook for 10 minutes. I'm back after 10 minutes and here comes my palm oil. I'm just going to stir everything together and now it's time to introduce all other ingredients. So here comes my ogiri igbo, blended fresh peppers, crayfish. You need to be generous with your crayfish to get a delicious Ofe Owerri, also known as soup for the rich. I'm going to stir everything together. As you can see, guys, the soup is already coming together. And then the aroma has taken over my home. This looks so good. And also all the obstacles are fighting with each other inside my pot. Guys, this soup tasted so good that my husband couldn't stop praising it. And he finished the soup within a few minutes and couldn't wait for the next day to have some more. Try this, guys. If your boyfriend is taking so long to propose, this is the go-to soup, okay? After cooking for about 5 minutes, I'm going to introduce my dry fish, asa fish. I love adding it last because asa is usually not so tough, okay? And now comes the thickener. I used cocoyam, all right? I boiled it and pounded until it became very smooth and it's going to act as a thickener for today. We're going to allow the thickener to do its magic and we're going to come back after 5 minutes to see what's up with our soup, guys. I'm loving what I'm seeing. This soup is looking so good. Here comes our shrimps. So I'm using the big size shrimps for this soup. So remember, it's soup for the rich, so pour in as much protein that you have. Here comes my okazi leaf, guys. I don't have the fresh one available, so I'm using the dry okazi leaf. I'm going to stir everything together. Oh my goodness. This soup will go with fufu. I wish I have some fufu close by, guys. I'll stir everything together. We are almost done and the soup is looking delicious. I'll leave this to cook for just like 2 minutes. All right, and I'll be right back. I'm back after 2 minutes, guys, and here comes our last ingredient, which is ugu leaf. I don't have any ugu leaf, so I'm using spinach as a substitute. And spinach did an amazing job to the soup. I will just stir everything together. So I'm stirring, I'm even getting hungry. I'm getting hungry every second. Guys, this soup, really, the video did not do justice to the soup, but your tongue will do a better justice, guys. If you have a boyfriend, like I said, who doesn't want to propose, this is your love portion to prepare for him, okay? Try this soup, guys. My husband will definitely pay another bride price after eating this soup. Definitely. Don't forget to subscribe if you're watching on YouTube and don't forget to follow if you're watching on Facebook. Don't forget to also give me a thumb up and share the video. See you on my next one, guys. Bye.